So what I need to do is hit myself in the face and wake up. Hello, and welcome back to another Cruisin' with Corey. We are out here on a rainy, gloomy, blah-y weekday. My kids are in school, and I'm trying to make a little bit of money. If it's your first time, my name is Corey. I can't work a traditional job because of my family structure, so these gig apps are how I make my money, give you my tips and tricks. Sometimes you go along for some travel. We are doing some Walmart today. I do have DoorDash on. I haven't gotten an order in an hour. And to start our day off, we did just get this order right here. It is $26 for about 4 miles. It's only, I think, 9 items, if I'm not mistaken, but 24 units. Looks like she wants a lot of face cloth, so no harm, no foul in that. So we are gonna go scooch. We're gonna go inside and we're gonna shop, and that's how we ultimately get paid in this job. Nice quick shop, easy and done with. Probably didn't even take 25 minutes start to finish, so that's 26 bucks in our pocket. I do have DoorDash on. It's a Thursday morning. I don't expect anything. There is this curbside, which I don't know, I just can't get excited about those. Like a triple curbside under $25, I just really have a hard time with it. Because a triple curbside will take you the majority of an hour, except in very rare cases. Shipt has nothing on it. Instacart has nothing. There was a .com floating around for like $75 for 40 miles. It was going much far south than I live. But I really, if it magically is still there, I doubt it, because it was like a half hour ago. I might take that. But 10:30, we'll see what we can get. I don't really have any talking points today, but I'll let you know what I get when I get it, if I get it at all. Now, if you saw my video that I posted just prior to this one, I showed you the amazing weekend that I had on Spark. But this is more of the normality of things. This is a curbside. They have increased the range, from what I can tell, to 25 miles on a curbside or a shopping order. It's absolutely asinine. This is a 12 for 6. Now, I should be taking that. $2 a mile is usually a really good order. Most people will take that. I personally, in days like this, I get in ruts where I get cranky and I just start upset. Like, I routinely turn things down that I should turn down. So what I need to do is hit myself in the face and wake up. Now, that order is not the best order, but it wasn't bad. But the next reasonable order that we get, we're gonna take. There were a couple shops that I didn't screenshot that were like 38 bucks for 16 miles. And those are the really borderline cases that you don't want to take, but on certain days like today, you almost have no choice. But we are logged into DoorDash till 2:30, so we do have the whole lunch rush booked up, and we're pushing 11 now. We got 26 bucks in roughly an hour, so we're still on a good pace, but we need to start accepting some stuff, so I'll let you know what the next order is. But just put it in the comments. What's the longest order that you've seen miles-wise in your area? Out here in this more rural area, Massachusetts, again, I've seen 25-mile shopping orders. If I see one, I'll make sure I get it for you guys. Not taking it, but I'll show it to you. It's been a minute. Like, not a literal minute, you know, the hip minute. Yo, it's been a minute.
Don't do that again.
So it's been a little bit. We just took an order, and as I was saying earlier, there's those certain kind of orders that they look good, but they don't. So $40 for 17 miles. It's not an order that is like, oh my God, exciting. It is more than $2 a mile, and it's actually not a lot of items. So in that, it won't take that long. But those super high mileage orders are really, really difficult to be excited about. This one is going close to my house too, so I don't know if I'm gonna come back out at least right away. But shut up, car. But yeah, and only like 20 combined items, 10 and 10. It's a batch shop, so let's go inside and get it. It'll put us, it's 11:10 now. Maybe we can be done by 12:15. That order is dropped off. The annoying part is we are now like 11 miles away from Walmart, but we're also very close to my house. We're like 15 minutes. Can't get onto DoorDash. Even though it's lunchtime, I can't get onto DoorDash. So I really don't know what I'm gonna do right now, if I'm gonna troop back up or not. Something that is annoying is my phone holder is broken. There's a little button on the back of it that you push, and I was able to like manipulate it, but I swear to God, I go through like 4 of these things a year. Maybe I'm too aggressive with them, I don't know. Link me one in the description if you have one that has lasted you longer than about 6 months. But I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might go home and just come back out tonight. I might come back out. I might try to do an Instacart down south. I don't know, but when I find out, I'll let you know. Did that rhyme? It might have. We didn't end up actually going back out. Stuff came up, so between the hours of about, I'd say 9:45 and about 1:30, we only made about $70. Not a good day, but I've also had worse. Again, you take the goods with the bads. Can't always make $300 a shift. Want to thank everyone for tuning in. If you've made it this far in the video, hit the like, share, comment, and subscribe buttons here. Do the doodly do. We are growing this slowly, and we're having fun doing it. Let's see if we can get some more friends along for the ride. Check out the links in the description to get in touch or support the channel, and we will get in touch with you.